If your fretting fingers look like this, you're making guitar way harder than it needs to be, but fixing this alone won't solve it. In fact, there are 5 things I've seen students do over 20 years of teaching that make guitar feel like a constant battle. So I'm going to show you what they are and the simple fixes so playing guitar finally starts to feel effortless. To start, let me show you the first step. This is the foundation and it's something you can't see. Have you ever driven your car and it feels really unresponsive, like you're dragging an aeroplane behind you or something? And then suddenly you realise you've been driving with your handbrake on. This is exactly how it feels when you're playing guitar with tension. It's like you're the Tin Man from Wizard of Oz trying to move before the oil goes in. But when you loosen up,
Oh, it feels wonderful.
now here's what to do to help your body relax and release any tension. So every time you sit down to play, be aware of any tension in your shoulders, arms, your neck, your hands, and even your jaw. What I've noticed for me, I push my tongue at the roof of my mouth and it causes unnecessary tension. So how do we relax and release tension? Well, this is what worked with me. If you notice any tension anywhere, just stop and try to release it. Use the 4-4-4-4 rule. Breathe in for 4 seconds. You hold for 4 seconds. You release for 4 seconds. And then you hold for 4 seconds. And then just repeat that a few times. You can even do this before you actually start playing. Now I know this doesn't sound very hip, but it changes everything. Being mindful of the tension and releasing it will instantly improve your playing and make it feel way more effortless. Now I'm going to show you the biggest issue I see so many players make, which is causing fatigue in the hand and making everything feel hard and slow, but once fixed will make playing feel easy. Now as beginners we learn to press hard to avoid buzz and dead notes, and that's kind of what you have to do. But over time we get stuck playing like that and it creates unnecessary tension, so no amount of relaxing will fix that on its own. So here's what just enough pressure will feel like. Place a finger on the 5th fret of the B string so it's muting it, and slowly press down until the note rings clearly. And then stop. And that's it. You're just reprogramming your hand to remember how that feels. Do this daily with each finger for a total of a minute. And when you're playing, just keep checking. Are you too tense? Are you pushing down just enough? The lighter it feels, the more effortless it becomes. Now we've sorted the tension and pressure, let's move on to step 3. One of the most common issues guitarists face. I remember learning the classic 1-2-3 spider exercise, and my fingers had a mind of their own. One finger would go down and the others would completely fly off the fretboard, and I just couldn't control it. The problem is, the further your fingers are from the fretboard, the longer it takes to move them, and the more likely you are to misposition your finger and get the string to buzz. The turning point for me was about learning control, and once I had that, everything felt way easier. So here's how to fix it. Start with first finger on the 7th fret, second finger on the 8th, third finger on the 9th, fourth finger on the 10th, all on the high E string. Then slowly press one finger down at a time. Focus on the control. If another finger moves, that's your focus. Keep your unused fingers close to the strings and don't let them fly off. Try doing this for a minute every day and give it a few weeks to see the results. Less movement equals better technique. Now even after working on steps 1 to 3, some of you might come back and say, hey, Dean, this isn't working. And I get it, because sometimes it's not a technique problem. When we drive a car, it needs regular servicing to keep running well, and your guitar is basically the same. When I pick up some students' guitars, they're almost unplayable, and that makes everything feel harder than it should. If you want a guitar to feel effortless, change your strings regularly, probably about 2 to 3 times a year. Get your guitar set up once a year so it plays really well, stays in tune up and down the neck. And if you don't know how to do it yourself, budget for a guitar tech. Now if you completed all these steps and it still doesn't feel any easier, well, you need to pay attention to this one. Firstly, imagine you're driving somewhere completely new. You've got the sat nav on, you're driving along new roads and scenery, and you're thinking about everything at once. Now compare that to driving somewhere you've been like 100 times. No sat nav, you don't need to think, you just get there. And it's the same on the guitar. Remember when basic chords felt impossible, or a riff that you struggled with, and now your fingers just automatically go there. That's effortless. Effortless playing comes from knowing something so well that there's just no hesitation, no second guessing, or no fear. You just might not know something well enough for it to be effortless at the moment. So now you know the 5 steps to make guitar feel effortless. The next step is making faster progress. So click on this video where I'll show you the exact 5-step system I've used to help regular people improve quickly, even with limited time. So go and click on that and I'll see you over there.